Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and then tap on Delete Browsing Data. So here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies cache, and other site data. Here we've got also the time range, so we can change it. Just tap on it and you can choose the specific time range. I'll pick all time and then tap on delete data. However, if you wish to remove some advanced browsing history, like for example saved passwords, then let's go to more options and here we've got them. So here we've got advanced options like tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you wish to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. Here we've got the time range from last hour to, for example, all time, and then tap on delete data. We just got back. Here we've got the information, which means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.